Hello dear friends, this is Kiran Purohit and today I am going to share my English speaking story, how I learned to speak English fluently. So dear friends, I am a Hindi medium student and I left English as a subject when I was in class 10th. So after I completed my school, then I realized that I should have work on my English speaking skills. Then I searched for an academy. My friend Varsha suggested me to join 𝐻𝐄 𝐇𝐀, and I came here with her and she introduced me to sir. Then sir made me understand about this course and I purchased it. Dear friend, after that when I attended my first class, so it was very great experience to me, because that day sir taught us do and does and provide us so many books for learning. So we learned so many books in English, and we learned very typical subjects of English grammar very easily. And after 1 month we started to join a stage and deliver my thoughts, my speeches on stage, and sir helped us a lot for our communication skills and our spoken skills. Then after 2 months we started GD group discussion with all friends, and we all learned so much that time. And after some time we started giving presentation on stage. So dear friends, I have a great phobia of English speaking in starting, but now I can speak English better than that time. So I want to suggest you to join this academy. This is not a promotion, but I want to suggest you, because I know that it is a very big hurdle in the path of success for all Hindi medium students to speak English fluently and confidently. So dear friends, if I can do this, so you all can do this. And that's why I suggest you to join 𝐻𝐄 Academy. It is very good for your future, and it will definitely good for you. Thank you so much.